everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is from Target, and this is their May 2019 beauty box. This is not a monthly subscription that is automatically billed to your card and automatically comes. You have to go to the Target website and order the box. The advantage of this is you get to see what's in the box before you order it. So if it's something that you are not liking that month, or if they have several options, which sometimes they do, you can pick and choose which box you like, or just choose not to get it at all. They are $7 a month, and usually they're, in the past they were available the first Monday of the month. Now it seems like it's the second Monday of the month. When they hit the website that you can order them. So I don't know if they'll change it back or not. You just have to really pay attention to Target's site if you're interested. And I've been getting this box for years, and I know they just came out with a new pet box for dogs and cats, which is nice. I'm not going to get it. I mean, I have 2 dogs, but I give them all natural treats. I don't give them any kind of bones like the rawhide bones and things like that. They're really not great for your dog. So I give them all natural treats, and they get, you know, a lot of homemade cooked food. They don't eat dog food. So let's get right into, so if you're interested in that, I do believe they're on the website now. So let's get right into the box. So it's a pretty purple box, and the card is Festival Beauty Headliners. This is what the card looks like. And then on the back, it gives you a list of the products with a coupon. And I think it's, see, now it doesn't tell you. Oh, it's $3 off beauty purchases of $15 or more. So you get that. So we'll use that. And it always looks like this on the inside. Nice. They changed the box color and the tissue color, which is nice. So you always get, once the tissue is opened, I'll show you. You always get a pretty full box. So, but like I said, you can preview it before you buy it. If you don't like what you see, then don't buy it. I've never not liked, like, maybe I might not like one item in the box, but if I like everything else, it's worth the $7 because these are great travel sizes. These are great going away for the weekend. And some of these you can use if you're just going on vacation for the week. They're TSA approved because of the size. Like this is a Dove product, and it is an antiperspirant, and it's only 1 ounce. So this is definitely TSA approved. So if you took it on a carry-on, or if you bring your bag on the plane versus checking it, you can use products like this. So this is the Dove product. And this is, did I tell you this was, I think this is cucumber, Cool Essential. So I don't know if it smells like cucumber. I don't want to spray it, but just has a very fresh smell. I don't really smell cucumber in that. Yeah, and it's just a dry antiperspirant spray, so I'm not going to be complaining about that. I'm going to try to go in order that's on the card. It makes it a little bit easier. And this product is from Bliss, and this is the Jelly Glow Peel. This is gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes, and this is 1 ounce also. So this is that. And Bliss is a cruelty-free brand. And this is good for 18 months once you open it. Clearly, you would probably use this in less than 18 days, but it's nice that they put that on the back of their packaging. And I don't know if that's going to focus or not, but you can see that it's back there. I'm trying to think. Stopped looking at some things when I've been unboxing, but I love Bliss products. Currently, I'm using their, I think it's Quench to Drench. It's like a gel type moisturizer that when you put it on, it just seems like to melt into your skin, and it feels like water on your skin. I am loving that. I received that as a sample. I don't recall which box. I get so many of them that I just do not remember. But I am loving that, and I'm about halfway through the sample pot, and it was like a sample pot about this big, you know, normal size around. I mean, it doesn't take a lot. I mean, I don't ever stick my finger in pots when I receive creams or lotions. I always use, like, sometimes you get the little spatulas, or I use a Q-tip and I take some out and I put it on my fingers, rub it, and I use very little because you don't need a lot. But this is a nice product to have from Bliss. The next thing on here is from, I'm going to skip the one item, is from Mask Bar, and this is a holographic foil peel-off mask. This is revitalizing, moisturizing, and illuminating, and you get one mask, and this is probably going to glare. I'm just hoping it does not, that you guys can see that. So I get a subscription each month with masks in it, and I love when I get masks in boxes because I am addicted to them, and I do share them with family, and I do share them definitely in giveaways. One of my giveaways a month or so ago was a box full of nothing but masks. So that lucky winner, you know, probably had probably a good month or two of masks in there. The next product is Hawaiian Tropic, and this is an antioxidant sunscreen mist. And this is, oh, they make this so small, 0.9 fluid ounces. And anything that has the possibility of leaking, Target will put tape around the cap so that you don't have leakage. They really do try extremely hard to make sure you don't have, you know, a destroyed box. And I think only one time one of my products was just, the tissue was a little damp, but nothing was ruined. So I'm excited to try this. Hawaiian Tropic is a good, usually like a good tanning, you use tanners. So now this is a sunscreen mist, which is good. That, I'd be curious, I'd have to read if you can use that on your face. But I don't see why you couldn't. Then the next product that I see is from SGX NYC, and this is Salon Graphics, the Do It All 3-in-1 texture spray, and this is 1 ounce. This is pretty nice packaging. And this is 3-in-1 formula, texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes your hair, instantly absorbing oil, so day-old locks look bouncy and full of life. Sometimes I need texture. I just got my hair cut last week and had almost 3 inches cut off. I just get bored with my hair and I let it grow, and then I cut it short and I let it grow, and I got to cut shorter. I'm never happy with the way my hair looks. I have very thick hair. I have a lot of it, and sometimes a texture spray is exactly what I need. And then this is in the box, and this is from Sinful Colors. This is a nail polish, and this is Full for Azul. So this is a really pretty blue color. And as you can see, I have blue on. It's just like more of a teal blue. So I would probably use this the next, can I ever open these? I would love to use this the next time. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful blue. I will definitely use this the next time. All that, well, that really smells. I should not do that. And then the last item, because this is Festival Beauty Headliners, is the theme of the box. We got from Sincerely Jewels an assorted jewelry hair ring set. Let me just, some of these, yeah, I just want to make sure they're not all falling off. So this is what these look like. I mean, these are more younger generational, not somebody of my age of 57, but you never know, you might see me rocking some of these. So these are really nice. I was kind of excited to see them. I was trying to read. I was reading somewhere. It says easy to use. No, that's the wrong thing. Where am I here? It says to loop through a boho braid or place around the crown of a high pony for festival-ready locks in a blink. So if I, you know, now that my hair is shorter, I'm not going to wear it up. But when my hair gets longer, I mean, I think one of these would be cute in a pony, coming off the top of a ponytail or whatever. I might include them in a giveaway. But these are really adorable, so I'm not mad at that. And these are, this says Sincerely Jewels, and Scrunchie is on here. So I wonder if Scrunchie is, yes, Scrunchie.com. So I guess they're made by Scrunchie, so that's good. So we got deodorant, we got, oh, here, let me show you. We got a texture spray, we got deodorant, we got the jewels, we got a gel from Bliss, a suntanning mist from Hawaiian Tropics, really nice nail polish color, and this is from Sinful Colors. And then from Mask Bar, we got a holographic mask. So that is the Target box for May 2019. And I'm pleased with everything in this box, even the, you know, the jewels. I mean, you know, they might not be up my alley, but They're actually very nice, and I don't have any complaints about that. So that is the video for today, and thanks so much for watching. And if you don't mind, if you could like this video before you leave, and leave me a comment down below. Do you get Target? Do you like the products that you saw in this Target box that you might think about getting the Target box? Or possibly, if you don't want the beauty box, think about getting the pet box, either for your cat or your dog. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. And I appreciate every one of you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.